little friends. Welcome to our ocean adventure. Today, we're going to meet some amazing sea animals that live in the big, blue ocean. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow! Look at all the beautiful fish swimming around. First, let's say hello to a clownfish. Can you see its bright orange and white stripes? Clownfish love living in coral reefs, and they're really good at hiding in sea anemones. Clownfish are small and very friendly. They don't like to swim far away from their homes. Can you say clownfish? Great job! Here comes a sea turtle. Look at how big it is. Sea turtles are so gentle, and they love swimming in the ocean. They can live to be very old. Some even live over 100 years. Wow! Sea turtles eat jellyfish and sea plants, and they swim long distances in the ocean. Can you say sea turtle? Nice work! Look at that! It's a dolphin. Dolphins are so smart and love to play. They can jump high into the air and make funny sounds called clicks and whistles. Isn't that cool? Dolphins like to swim in groups called pods. They help each other, and they're really friendly. Can you say dolphin? Woohoo! Here comes a jellyfish. It looks so magical, doesn't it? Jellyfish have soft, squishy bodies and float through the water with their long, wiggly tentacles. But don't touch. Some jellyfish can sting, so we have to watch them from a distance. Jellyfish are very calm and peaceful creatures. Can you say jellyfish? So beautiful. Now let's meet a whale. Wow, look how big it is. Whales are the largest animals in the whole world. They sing songs and travel across the oceans. Can you imagine being that big? Whales eat tiny little fish and krill, and they can swim for miles and miles. Can you say whale? Amazing! We've met so many fun animals today. From the tiny clownfish to the giant whale, the ocean is full of amazing creatures. Thanks for swimming with us, little adventurer. I hope you had fun learning about the sea animals today. Remember, the ocean is a very special place, and we have to take care of it to keep all these wonderful animals safe. See you next time for more ocean fun. Bye-bye, little friends. Keep swimming and keep smiling.